Hi, my name is Vijana Barker, and I work for a service coordination agency, and I work with people with physical disabilities, ages 18 and older, helping them get assessed in their home for services so that they can live independently, so that they don't have to go into a nursing home. And part of what I do is I go in, I assess how many hours of personal care services they receive, and I work with them to either hire a family or a friend to do that, or work with them in hiring an agency to provide the personal care services for them, providing them with resources for different areas of daily living. So part of what I would like to do in developing my clinical social work side is I really would like to work in a hospital setting, and in doing so, I know that there's a lot of opportunities for people to work in hospitals. There's also a multitude of hospitals in the surrounding area. I currently live in Philadelphia, and I know within the Philadelphia area as well as the suburbs of Philadelphia, there are a tremendous amount of hospitals in the area. And each hospital also has their own departments, whether it's working with traumatic brain injuries or dialysis or neonatology. There's just a lot of departments for that. Some of the challenges that I may face while working as that or looking into those departments is, I think also, for me at least, it would be my personal disability. I have a mobility disability, and so having dwarfism also limits my height. So I have that height issue, as well as using a scooter for mobility within the workplace. Some employers might find that it is a hindrance, or may not be as familiar with disabilities and reasonable accommodations as others. However, I think one of the beauties of working in a hospital is that the employers there would be more familiar with the ADA, as well as the clients who go in and out of the hospital could see a different side of disabilities and also understand that people with a disability could have a life just like everybody else. So that is why I would love to do that. So I just want to say thank you, and I look forward to hearing about everybody and working with everyone. So thank you. Bye.